Hello students, today we will study some special parallelogram. First is rhombus. Students, look at this figure A, B, C, D. How many sides in this figure? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a quadrilateral. Now AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So all sides are equal. Now AB equal CD. So opposite sides are equal. AD equal BC. Clear? AC and BD are diagonals and they bisect to each other at 90 degree. Means they cut half to each other at 90 degree. So a rhombus is a four-sided shape where all sides have equal length. Also opposite sides are parallel and opposite angle are equal. So angle A is equal angle C and angle B is equal angle D. The diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of one another. Perpendicular bisector means they cut to each other at 90 degree. A rhombus has all the properties of a parallelogram and also that of a kite. Next, rectangle. As you know that what is rectangle? A rectangle is a quadrilateral with 4 sides. So A, B, C, D is a rectangle and in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So AD equal BC and AB equal DC. A rectangle is a 4-sided polygon in which the opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other. Here AC and DB are diagonals. In rectangle, diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. Clear? They intersect to each other at O. So AC is equal to BD and angle A is 90 degree, angle B is 90 degree and angle C is 90 degree and angle D is 90 degree. So a rectangle is a parallelogram in which every angle is a right angle. A rectangle is a parallelogram with equal angles. A rectangle is a parallelogram in which every angle is a right angle. And the diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. Now we will study about square. Look at figure ABCD is a square because all sides of a square are equal. So AB equal CD, AD equal BC and diagonals AC and BD intersect to each other at point O. So a flat shape with 4 straight sides where all sides have equal length and every interior angle is a right angle. So angle A is 90 degree, angle B is 90 degree, angle C is 90 degree and angle D is also 90 degree. The square, like the rectangle, has diagonals of equal length. So AC is equal BD. The diagonals of a square are bisectors of each other. Clear? Students, let's start exercise 3.4. First, state whether true or false. First is all rectangles are square. So this statement is false because in rectangle opposite sides are equal. but in square all sides are equal. Second, all rhombuses are parallelogram. This statement is true because in parallelogram opposite sides are equal and in rhombus opposite sides are equal. So this is true. Next, all squares are rhombuses and all rectangles. This is true because in squares all sides are equal, so rhombus and in rhombus all sides are equal and in rectangles opposite sides are equal. So all square are rhombuses and also rectangles. All squares are not parallelogram. This is false. Because all squares are parallelogram. Next, all kites are rhombus. This is false. Because in rhombus all sides are equal, but in kites all sides are not equal. Next, all rhombuses are kites. This is true. Clear? Because all sides are equal in rhombuses and in kites adjacent sides are equal. So this statement is true. All parallelograms are trapezium. This is true. Because parallelograms opposite sides are equal and parallel, and in trapezium one pair are parallel. So this is true. All squares are trapezium. Yes, this is true. Because trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides, and in square both pairs are parallel. Clear? Next is identify all the quadrilateral that have first 4 sides of equal lengths. So students, as you know that rhombus and square have 4 sides of equal length. B. 4 right angles. Students, square and rectangles have 4 right angles. Next, explain how a square is. So students, in this question I have to explain that how a square is a quadrilateral. So a square has 4 sides, so it is a quadrilateral. A square is a parallelogram because a square has its opposite sides parallel, so it is a parallelogram. Next, a square is a rhombus. So students, a square is a parallelogram with all the 4 sides equal, so it is a rhombus. Next, a square is a rectangle. A square is a parallelogram with each angle a right angle, so it is a rectangle, and opposite sides are equal, so it is a rectangle. Next, fourth, name the quadrilateral whose diagonals first bisect each other, second are perpendicular bisectors of each other, third are equal. Students, the diagonals of a parallelogram, rhombus, square and rectangles bisect each other. Second are perpendicular bisector of each other, so the diagonals of rhombus and square are perpendicular bisector of each other. Third, are equal. So students, the diagonals of square and rectangle are equal. Next, explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. So students, as you know that in convex quadrilateral, all diagonals lie in its interior. So in rectangle, both diagonals lie in its interior. So a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. Next 6. ABC is a right angled triangle and O is the midpoint of the side opposite to the right angle. Explain why O is equidistant from A, B and C. The dotted lines are drawn additionally to help you. So students, look at this figure. ABC is a right angle triangle and O is the midpoint of the side opposite to the right angle. So OB, opposite sides of OB is OD. Clear students? In this question, we have to explain that O is equidistant. Equidistance means equal distance from A, B and C. Look at solution. Draw lines AD and DC. AD and DC. AD parallel BC and AB parallel DC. AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to DC because this is a rectangle. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. So angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D is 90 degree. In this rectangle, OA is equal to OC is equal to BO is equal to OD. Because in rectangle, diagonals are of equal length and bisect each other. Bisect each other means cut half. So OB is equal OD and OA is equal OC. Clear? So O is equidistant from A, B and C. So students, exercise 3.4 has completed and chapter 3 is over. We will meet with new chapter in next video. Up till then, goodbye.